Hello and welcome to today's video. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. In today's video, we show you what to do if you have forgotten your PIN for the Manhattan SX Freesat set-top box. Forgetting a PIN for a device is annoying, especially as these days most devices ask for a PIN to enable you to reset or change settings in the device. This also applies to the Manhattan SX range of Freesat set-top boxes. If you have forgotten your PIN for the Manhattan SX Freesat set-top box, then you need to perform a factory reset. The factory reset option requires a PIN to perform. If you don't input the correct PIN, then you cannot reset the Manhattan SX Freesat set-top box. But what if you have forgotten the correct PIN to reset the Freesat set-top box? Well, luckily, there is a default PIN that you can use. The default PIN for the Manhattan SX Freesat set-top box is 6699. When you input this PIN, the Manhattan SX Freesat set-top box will reset to factory settings and allow you to input another PIN during the install process. If you found the information in this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, happy viewing.